Welcome to our science class. Our topic is about the special properties of matter. Everything around us is made up of matter. Matter exists in different forms: solid, liquid, or gases. In this lesson, you will discover the special properties of materials and the changes that will happen when they are exposed to certain conditions. You will learn how to classify and identify materials based on their ability to absorb water. Are you ready? Let's start! Before we start our lesson, let's find out if you can answer this activity correctly. Examine each pictures. Classify them based on the properties they possess. Identify whether the materials can absorb or cannot absorb water. Let's learn more about the lesson. Now that you know the words such as absorb, porous, porosity, and non-porous, let's perform the activity. In this activity, you need a small basin with 3/4 full of water, piece of bread, cotton, empty plastic bottle, sponge, spoon, scissor, tissue, paper, and candy wrapper. If you don't have the materials, you can use anything that you can find at home. Here are the steps that you need to follow while doing the activity. 1. Prepare small basin with 3/4 full of water. You can replace water after each task if needed. 2. Soak each of the materials numbered 1 to 10, one at a time. 3. Test each material if it will absorb water or not. And 4. Write your observation. Using the table, put a check if the material absorbs water and cross if it does not absorb water. Let's answer the following questions. Number 1. Based on the activity, what came out when you took out each material from the bowl? Number 2. Did all the materials absorb water? Yes or no? Which of them did not absorb water? Number 3. Which of the materials absorb water? How did it absorb water? Did you enjoy the activity, children? Did you learn from it? If you answered yes, well done, kids! In order to know how well you did the experiment, let's rate your performance. Put a check to the corresponding number, 5 as the highest and 1 as the lowest. If you gave yourself a score of 4 to 5 in your experiment, wow, you are amazing! You are a fast learner. Keep up the good work, kids. If you gave yourself a score of 2 to 3, good job. Go over again the experiment, which you find difficult, and then you may proceed to the next activity. If you gave yourself a score of 1, don't worry, kids. This lesson is designed for you to understand further about materials that absorb water. So, what are you waiting for? Let's learn more. Have you ever witnessed a town festival or fiesta? What kind of festival or fiesta it is? What are the different delicacies you eat during the festival? Which one is your favorite? Let's learn about the Sumbintik Festival of Cainta, Rizal. Did you feel hungry thinking about the delicacies of Sumbintik Festival? Let's study the picture of a family having their lunch during the Sumbintik Festival. Identify at least five porous and five non porous materials in the picture. Write your answer using the table. Based on the picture, is it important for family members to eat together? Why? Let's learn. Learning task number 3. Look at the picture. Analyze the situation that happened at home carefully. Then write your answers briefly. This time, let's discuss about COVID-19. We all know that COVID-19 is an infectious disease caused by SARS-CoV-2, and the best way to prevent this illness is to avoid being exposed to the virus. Let us find out if you know the answers to the following questions. What are the health protocols you should observe to stop the spread of the virus? What will you do if one of your family members has the virus or sick with COVID-19? How will you protect yourself from COVID-19? COVID-19 spreads primarily from person to person. Fighting this disease is our joint responsibility. Protect yourself and others by making these 6 simple precautions your new habit. Learning task number 4. Identify whether the materials used during the pandemic are porous or non porous by writing it into the correct column. Wow, kids! We are almost done with our lesson. But before we say goodbye, let's read and remember the following information. And to summarize all the things that you have learned in our lesson and activities, read the following sentences. Write the correct word to complete the sentences. And that ends our lesson. Congratulations, children! I am happy that you have accomplished the task given to you. I am sure that you are ready for the next lesson. See you next time!